Hi everyone. This is my final project for CS50P course. I have titled this project as an emoji mood analyzer. So let's run this program. In this project, I tried to implement a very funny and creative chatbot where we can enter any text that we wish to, and including emojis. In my project, the project will analyze the emoji that we have given as input, and will thus output a result which is in a creative and innovative way. So let me try one input. So when I pass this input, so as you can see, I have made use of the Cowsay library. Within it, we have so many animals which can talk like this. Our input text is taken, and the emoji present in our input text is matched with a dictionary that I have set up earlier. With the help of this, we can convert or analyze many emojis emoji and emotions like happy, sad, fear, angry, etc. So let me try one more time. So let me try one more input. So as you can see now, when I have passed in an emoji that represents an angry, the Ghostbuster tells us take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, which is a sort of in a funny and humorous way. So I hope you all like this project. Thank you.